Hit the road to supersize your business. Do you need to consider hitting the road to supersize your business? Hit the road. This is an expression that's been around since the 19th century, and it basically means to begin a journey, to go on a trip, to start to travel, to begin something, start something new, right? I think of hitting the road meaning I need to go home, I'm tired, it's been a long day, or I'm going to hit the road because I'm traveling, and I'm personally traveling right now, so this one popped right into my mind when I was thinking of something to go along with a journey. Our topic, our No Nonsense November Day 27 for the annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge, where we're doing one thing every day that improves us and moves us toward our goals and objectives. Today's topic is about our unique journey, and that we're here on the planet to experience this life as only we uniquely can. And as part of that, we often need to make choices and decisions that involve us starting something new, or moving, or traveling, or going on a journey. My kids and I'm not traveling with them now. We split up after a wedding we came to down here in Texas, and they went to visit their in-laws in Florida, my daughter's in-laws in Florida, my son-in-law's parents, and they were hanging out on the beach and going to rocket launches and swimming and surfing. And my daughter's pregnant, so she's not surfing, but she is playing on the beach and in the sand with her daughter. And it's been really fun to see the pictures of their trip and on their journey. And I believe they're going to be hitting the road today sometime for Georgia. So hit the road. Most of us have used this expression or know what this expression is. I definitely have said, let's hit the road before, or it's time to hit the road, meaning it's time to get moving, it's time to go, it's time to get started. Definitely, as I was raising my kids, right? There was a lot of times when it was like herding cats, trying to get us all moving just to go to a holiday. Just came off of Thanksgiving. So I remember deciding consciously that one of my new ways of and new behaviors had to be, for each child I had, I added 1 hour to our get ready prep time. And that seemed to be the only way I could be on time to family events and family gatherings. So what does this have to do with building and growing and supersizing our business? A couple of things come to mind for me. Number one, do we need to expand and grow our business by entering new markets, appealing to different customers or a different group of customers? Do we need to literally expand our business by adding units, depending on what type of a business you have? I was in manufacturing, so for the longest time. So we would often consider, do we need to hit the road by either franchising or opening different locations and different sites for our business? Nowadays, with the internet, it's really easy to be a global company or to be a national company just by having an online presence, setting up a website or a funnel or whatever you personally believe in and use, and offering your products and services to a much larger geographic area than you would have been able to in the past. So do we need to hit the road? Do we need to take our show on the road? I think we've always known this. We've always watched Hollywood and Broadway do this. They'll have a play, they'll test it off Broadway, then it'll go to Broadway. Then if it's successful in Broadway, they'll take the show on the road and it'll go to different areas. My son's been working with the entertainment industry for a little bit now and consulting there, and he's found that it's a very interesting industry steeped in tradition, like so many others, and there's a lot of opportunity for creating systems and automations that would make life a whole lot easier in different areas and aspects of that particular industry. It's an industry I personally never really worked in, with events, some events and things, different types of events, but not the entertainment, music, performer industry. So it's really interesting to talk to him and hear his stories about that, because they're taking that show on the road every day. They set it up, they do the show, and then they tear it down and they load it on trucks and they take it to the next town. And so that's an example of hitting the road or taking your show on the road. Like I said, a lot of times we don't have to physically do that now, depending on what type of business we're building and supersizing. We can do that just by using the internet, which makes it really, really easy. Sometimes we have to travel, right? Sometimes we have to take us on the road, like I am right now, because we need to have different experiences and share our experiences with a different group of people, a different market, or whatever the case may be for your business. So curious, have you personally hit the road? And if so, why? And has that benefited your business? Share in the comments. Well, I would say when we attend events and network and go to industry things and participate and team up with other people in our industry, that's an example of hitting the road and expanding our journey. That's it. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another idiom related to, this month we're doing related to the annual challenge. Not sure what I'm going to do next month yet. Today's my planning day for that. All right. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye. Hit the road.